What's up, motherfucker? What's up, guys? Damn. Thought I'd tell y'all a little bit about the bike check for Bulldog Bikes. I fucked up. Beautiful Bulldog Bikes frame that Bulldog Bike hooked me up with. No, my 21-inch Bulldog Bikes.
This is my 21 inch.
This is my shit. Do you fucking like it or not? We got the Bulldog Bikes Illmatic. Bust some good tricks down some big ass fucking hops and drops. Also the Colt Vans Great Grips. We got the Shadow Conspiracy head tip. And right below the stem we got the see that? Moving down to the Sunday morning forks, we got the Sunday morning 2.1. Sunday afternoon.
Moving down to the Sunday fork, we got the Sunday.
moving down to the forks on a Sunday Monday. And moving down. Locks into the frame real good for nose manuals. And fuck you guys, I hate ya. Chase Hawk. Awesome tire. Alright, and on the front we got. This is tough. This is tough, bro.
Just imagine us with our belters down.
In the back we got the Shadow Conspiracy BSDs.
2 different brands.
We got the Shadow STDs. Slides real good for the plastic stuff. On the back we got the Shadow.
For the plastic stuff. For all the plastic rails.
We got the Fiend Fat Little Seat. Somebody's calling. No. Come on, AJ. And in the back we have. Alright. For the back.
Maybe
Right,
AJ.
It's folding. Great. Don't put great.
Great frame.
Great. Everything is gonna be like great. Awesome.